Hello students, today we will discuss about type of forces. Now in type of forces basically we are going to discuss two type of forces, contact and non-contact force. So first we will discuss contact force. First, contact force, the force that two bodies in contact apply on each other is called contact force. Means the two bodies should be in contact with each other. Suppose this is a pen, so whatever force I am applying on it, that there should be physical contact on it. Okay, there should be physically contact. So this is contact force, and in non-contact force there is no physical contact of two bodies. In contact force, we are basically going to discuss two type of force, muscular force and frictional force, in which mainly we will discuss about frictional force. Now, muscular force is the force that results when some muscular strength is applied on body. Suppose I am just picking up this pen while holding a pen, so I am just using my muscular force, muscular strength to apply this force. So this is called muscular force. Likewise when kneading dough, means whenever you knead a dough, you apply your muscular force. You must have seen your mom in the kitchen to give shape or knead a dough. So this is basically a muscular force in which muscle strength is applied. So this is called muscular force. Like writing with a pen is also an example where muscular force is applied. Next is frictional force. It is the force which act between two bodies in contact. That is a force which opposes motion. For example, see this ball moving. Now it has moved so long. Now again see this ball moving. Again see. Now you can see it stopping after moving a very small distance. Why is it so? It is because of friction, because this cloth was a rough surface which opposes the motion of this ball, while the glass was a smooth surface which less opposes the motion of this ball, and this is the reason, due to this oppose of motion, this ball stops. So basically we can say force of friction is a force that exists between two surfaces in contact. Friction is a force which opposes motion, and it always direct opposite to the direction in which the object is moving or trying to move. यानी कि अगर ये बॉल मूव कर रहा है तो हमेशा ये इस फ्रिक्शन जो फोर्स होगा वो हमेशा इसके मूवमेंट का अपोज करेगा. तो इसके अपोजिट में जो यहाँ से जो फोर्स होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस क्लोथ की तरफ से जो फोर्स होगा जो इसके मोशन को अपोज करेगा, उसको बोलेंगे फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. Now it is clear from the example that I had given that what are the effects of friction. It can stop the motion, as it has stopped the motion of my moving ball when it was on this cloth, and it can decrease speed also. Like you can see earlier it was if I have applied much force with great speed, but it will stop after a while, or likewise it can decrease the speed also. So it can decrease speed of an object. So this was about effects of friction. Next we will be discussing factors affecting friction and types of friction in our next video.